Hey guys, what's up? This is Jay from Sentinel Trading Channel. So welcome to another update episode on the Binbot Pro trading software. So I bet you guys have been waiting for quite some time for our next update. So it has been a pretty much a long holiday for most of the Asian market for especially early February. So I've been away for holidays, but however, the good news is some of my subscribers have been trading following the method, and they have been performing well, especially method A. So there's even a guy that has like a 9 win streak using method A from my Binbot Pro trading guide. So kudos to that guy. So wish him all the best and continued success. So this episode is pretty much to bring you guys up to speed on what's my status with Binbot Pro. So as you can see right now, my balance is 500. You guys might be wondering what happened to my previous 19,000 balance, which I grew for the past 100 trades for that means like for a couple of months. So I did manage to grow my account until about 19,000. So what happened was I've already decided to withdraw the funds, and also to well, because since I've actually spent quite a bit of money during the holiday, so I decided to withdraw and to cover some of my expenses. So that's all that, and I will be starting my trading journey with Binbot Pro with $500. So so that's the first issue. And the second one is like for I realized that quite a lot of people has been asking me, like especially new subscriber, they are not really clear of what Binbot Pro is. So basically I'm just going to have a quick recap. So Binbot Pro, when you guys sign up, it is actually a free trading software. You don't need to pay any subscription for it. All you gotta do is just fund an account, and then you get access to this free trading robot. But however, the issue with free trading robots, like let's say these are the inbuilt top 10 robots, which you can see on your left over here, and this tree is the one that I've created. So if you guys want to know what's my experience using the top 10 robot, in my opinion, it is not very consistent in the long run. So most people actually kind of fail to achieve their goals using the top 10 robot. So, and the reason why is because, like, let's say when you click on the automated robot here, right? So let's say for example Crypto ADX, it is designed to trade 4 different assets, and once you turn it on, it will execute 4 trades instantaneously within the next 2 minutes. So although Binbot Pro has the ability to make a decision between call and put, however, since we are trading options, we have to be quite selective with our entry. So you gotta have to know how to apply or use this free trading tool to use it effectively. You can't use it like just blindly anytime or anytime at any time of the day, because it will be very disadvantageous, and it will affect your win rate quite heavily. I've been using Binbot Pro since June 2018. So I would say, if you guys want to know my early journey, do check out the first video that I've actually made on the Binbot Pro series. I'll leave the link in the description below. My experience with the top 10 robot wasn't really good initially, and that is why I actually created 3 different settings, and I've actually modified my method 5 times already since June 2018, catering to different market situation, and also made several improvements. So if you guys want to have like more success with Binbot Pro, so especially if you guys are a new user for Binbot Pro, make sure you guys actually contact me at the email address you see on your screen right now, and also register an account using my link, so that way you guys can get access to these 3 different settings, and also the way I trade using the Binbot Pro to my advantage. Like I said, free trading tools is actually useful, but you kind of have to know how to use it properly to your advantage. Alright, so if you guys want to see how I actually use it, you can see previous videos within my Binbot Pro series. Do subscribe to my channel if you guys want to keep track with my Binbot Pro trading progress, or also other Forex CFD trading progress. You can see playlists of my Binbot Pro trading progress. I think more than 20 videos since June 2018. You can actually watch a live trading demonstration. So moving on, the rest of this video is pretty much talking about withdrawals. There'll be, obviously, when you register for a Binbot Pro account, you guys will have several options for broker depending on your location, of course. So let's see if I go to account funding. Let me see. Yep. So over here you can see I'm actually connected to Binary Sense. So this is the very same account that I've been using since June last year. You can see my balance 500 USD, 500 USD. This is pretty much the funding method. So these are the various funding methods. So I would say as of right now, the most convenient and the most friendly way for both deposit and withdrawal is using Bitcoin, because like let's say for example, if you deposit using VLoad, you can put your money to VLoad and VLoad goes to Binary Sense to your broker. And then when you withdraw, the broker has to go back to VLoad, and from VLoad back to your bank account. So that's going to take a longer processing time, and not to mention VLoad has very high fees. Same going for Perfect Money and NetTeller. So however, for Bitcoin, it is way lesser fees and it's way faster. So let's say if I go to my, let's say, how to withdraw. All right. So you can see pretty much balance 500. That's because I've already withdraw. So previously all I gotta do, but unfortunately because I've actually started my account with Visa, and it actually took really long for my funds to reach back to my bank account, and also my withdrawal was pretty large, so there was a document requirements to be communicated between the bank and also the broker. So I will need some sort of like help from the broker to help justify my withdrawals with the bank to make sure that the withdrawal went through perfectly. That is especially true if your withdrawal is large. If it's small, like a couple $100 or maybe 1,000, it shouldn't be a problem. It should be quite smooth. However, like I said, the processing time and the transfer fee is pretty long. So let me show you guys like my transaction history. Okay, so I started back in like June 2018, and you can see my latest withdrawal over here on January, end of January. Actually, I've requested for 18,000, pretty much about $18,000 withdrawal, and it was approved within the same day. However, it took like super long to reach my bank account. All right. So as you can see here, this is one of my bank statements for this month. So I've only just received my withdrawal of about 23,000 Singapore dollars. I've actually lost about 7% from my original withdrawal amount. It's due to the transfer fee and also take quite a bit. So as you can see, I received on 11 February. However, I actually requested for withdrawal. Approved withdrawal was about 30th. Well, that one reason why it was so long, because I think the withdrawal amount was pretty large. It's also similar to my older withdrawals because there was a lot of communication needed. However, if you guys are just beginner and just starting out, don't worry about it. If it's like a couple $100 or maybe $1,000, it should be approved fairly quickly. But that's providing if you guys are using bank transfer. As of right now, I definitely recommend using Bitcoin because we can actually transfer with very minimum transfer fee. Actually, super minimum. I think so far for Bitcoin transfer is just fairly cheap, and actually and it's super convenient, especially in terms of international transfer, and we can actually convert it back to fiat using various cryptocurrency sites. Is very easy to convert your Bitcoin back to your local currency. Super simple. If you guys need help in that area, especially using funding with Bitcoin, you guys can actually also contact me from email that you see on the screen. And also, more importantly, if you guys are very interested in using Binbot Pro as a trading tool, remember not to just trade it freely. It's best if you guys have a plan on how to use a Binbot Pro. If you guys use it blindly, chances are you guys are going to have a lot of mistakes, and losses will pretty much come in, and it makes it way harder for you to grow your account consistently in the long run. Alright, so to those that are currently trading using Binbot Pro, I wish you guys all the best. If you guys have any question, feel free to email me, and also add me on Skype. I will definitely reply you guys as soon as possible. The only reason why I don't reply you on Skype is I do notice that there's an issue. Some people actually claim that they added me on Skype, but I do not receive any request, or rather I do not actually see their friend request there, so it will be safer if you guys drop me an email first regarding whatever questions that you have. All right, so till next time guys, next time I'll be showing more trade demonstration using my newly $500 account, and we're going to trade it back up again. If you guys are interested to see on how I trade using my previous progress, like growing from a couple thousand into like more than $10,000, make sure to watch the older videos in my channel. And lastly, remember to subscribe if you guys enjoy the content. All right, so till next time guys, trade safe.